Hello everyone, and welcome back to the DM32 walkie-talkie tutorial series. Today, we'll be focusing on the dual watch function. This feature allows you to flexibly monitor multiple frequency bands, ensuring you don't miss important signals at critical moments. Next, let's walk through a hands-on demonstration to quickly master this function. Step 1. Switching weight mode. Shortcut key method. Using the shortcut key method, return to the main screen. Press the P1 key, and the screen display mode will cycle through sequentially. For example, if it's currently in single frequency display mode, the screen will only show one channel's name, frequency, and channel number. Press the P1 key again to switch to dual frequency dual standby mode. At this point, the screen will be split to display two channels, and will show the DW icon, indicating the walkie-talkie can simultaneously receive calls on both the main and sub-frequencies. Additionally, pressing the AB button allows you to switch the active selection between the main and sub-frequency bands. Pressing the P1 key again will enter dual frequency single standby mode. The screen will still display dual frequency information, but without the DW icon. In this mode, it only receives calls on the main band. Step 2. Manual setup via menu. Press the menu key to enter the main menu. Select Settings, through Radio Settings, through Display Function, through Dual Watch. Here, you can directly select Single Mode, Double Weight, or Single Weight. By following these steps, you've successfully mastered the setup and use of the Dual Watch function. Using these three modes appropriately will allow your walkie-talkie to adapt to different scenario requirements. In our next episode, we'll detail the APRS positioning function, helping you achieve precise location sharing in complex environments. See you then!